Welcome to Coding for Kids by Kids, and today we're going to be doing changing variables with V and variables with artists. So let's start with variables with artists. Okay, so let's draw an equilateral triangle. It has to be exactly 50 pixels long on each side. Okay. So it has to be 50 pixels on each side. So what we're going to do is we're going to do repeat 3 times, because we're going to do something 3 times and the triangle has 3 sides. Then we're going to do move forward. Then we're going to turn left by 120 degrees. And that should be it, because what's going to happen is that we're going to move forward, then we're going to turn, then we're going to move forward, then turn, then move forward. So let's see what happens. Let me just do that first. Yeah, like that. In the code. So variable count 0, count 3 is more than count, and move forward 50, that's the pixels right there, and turn left and 120, and yeah, let's continue. Now I'll use another loop to draw these three of those triangles right next to each other. You can use the code on the last puzzle inside. So let's do this again. So what's going to happen is that we're going to basically do everything again, like use the code we did for the last puzzle. So what we did for the last puzzle was this. And if we just do this, wait, oops, left instead. So if we do that, yeah. So what we're gonna do is put this repeat inside another repeat and still make it 3 times. And when our character ends up here, we have to put move forward and by 100 pixels. So every time you go like that, it will go like zoom, like boom, 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 then boom, boom, and it will repeat. Hopefully, let's see. Okay, so I think the problem is obviously I did not need to put 100 pixels there, because we already have a move forward 50 pixels when it starts again. So it's basically gonna be 150 if I put 100 there. So let's see what happens there. Okay, the code. So variable count equals 0, 3 is more than variable count 2, variable count equals 0, 3 is more than count, and move forward 50 pixels, turn left 120 degrees, and move forward. So this is the first repeat, this is the second repeat, and this is where the first repeat ends, and this is where the one inside it. Now we're gonna watch this video.
Variable in an algorithm, it opens up the container and looks at the value inside. This lets you write smarter algorithms that behave differently depending on the value stored in the variable. For example, if you wanted to write an algorithm to say, "Happy birthday, you're turning 10," to my little brother, that's great now, but when I run it next year, I'd want it to say, happy birthday, you're turning 11. I could create a variable called age to store my brother's age and write my algorithm to say, happy birthday, you're turning age instead. Because variables can change, each year I can update the variable age to equal age plus 1.
In this puzzle, we're going to be using a variable that will set the length of the line our artist draws. Later on in our code, the move forward block will look at that length variable to see what value you've set it to.
Okay. Let's continue. Okay, so here we have a set variable length 50. What will happen if we click on? So what will happen is that, see, so length 50 is gonna do the same thing we saw at the start. It's going to make a triangle. It's gonna draw a triangle with 50 pixel sides because the length is set to 50 and move forward by length and 120 degrees. It's basically the same thing we did in the first level, and then but it just has the variable set to 50 and length. So let's see what happens. Oh yes, because it was put as I didn't know before. It's supposed to, the answer should be A. Before things get tricky, can you move the length of 50 to the variable so that we use it in the next few puzzles? Okay. So the variable length will be used in 2 places in your code. In the side length of your triangle and in the amount you move forward between triangles. A number block with the value should only be in one place after a set length block. Okay, so we're basically going to do this, do like the second one, but again. So we're first going to put set length to 50. And we're going to put a repeat inside the repeat like we did before. And we're going to do turn right, but we're going to put length. We're going to take this out. Wait. Put this in. So we'll move forward by 50 pixels because length is that. Left. And it should be moved forward again by length. So let's see what happens. So variable length, which is the variable there, the variable length 2 equals 50. And that's the repeat block, the other repeat block. And that's the move forward by the variable length. So because variable length 2 equals 50, that's going to be move forward 50, variable length, and then 20 degrees, and yeah, that's turn left, and then 20 degrees, and move forward by length 2 again. Now use the length variable to have the artist jump forward and down by length pixels in between the triangles. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, so the set length is obviously 50. So what we're gonna do at first is just the normal thing. Just that would be one triangle. Now we need to know how to get this triangle. So what we're going to do What we're gonna do is that's fine. Then we're going to move forward next pixel, so we'll be there. Then we're gonna jump. Wait, let's see. Let's see what happens. So it just jumped from there to there. So we need to make sure it gets from here. So let's see if we do that. We go down. And okay, so if we do that and jump, what will happen? Oh, oops. Yeah, so wait. That. I need to jump forward and jump down. Oh, okay. I didn't notice we could change the how it jump. So if we do that. Uh, could we jump? Um, it's pretty charming. So let's use a pin. Your code won't be much different than it was last puzzle, except that you'll need to turn the artist to jump down. So you need to turn him to jump down. So once it makes that triangle, turn it right 110 degrees and jump forward. Or jump backwards. But no, oops. So when it does that, it will be into the number. We have 4 of them. I mean, in the run. That's pretty good. Let's have another thing. The pattern the artist should be as follows. Yeah. So that then should turn again and drop down. Turn right forward. Wait, Oh, so that's how we do it. So it's jump forward by length and turn right by 90 degrees or 90 degrees. Ah, okay. So if we put it to 90 degrees, jump forward by length. That by okay, let's run it. Here's the code. So invest the variable equals 50, repeat block, then move forward by 50 with the variable, and turn left 120 degrees, move forward, jump forward by 50, turn right by 90 degrees, jump forward by 50, and turn left by 90 degrees. Good. Okay. Add another set of loops to the end of your code and add 3 more triangles this time and move forward and up. Okay, so let's see this code. So as you can see, if we only fit it like that, it's basically doing the thing we did last. And the difference between that and this is that this one has left, this one has right, and yeah, it's basically just moving in the opposite direction. So we can do that. So this part of the code is the same, and this one is a variable, count. So those are the repeats and the move forwards for 50. As you can see, since there's two different repeat blocks, and they still follow the variable as 50. So length 2 will still be 50, so it will jump forward 50. And now we need to make it 60 pixels wide. So it's basically the same thing. Nothing much because all we need to do is just change the variable to 60. Triangles will be bigger than they were before. So everything's the same, just length 2 equals 60, and that's the variable. Okay, so use what you learned and build a design. The squares have 80 pixels, and the artist jumps 80 pixels over and down between each one. So let's try this. So let's try and do what we did before with the triangle. So first of all, we're going to do repeat forward. We move forward by length, but it's 80 pixels obviously, and move right, and forward, and then that's one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 3. Wait, I think I don't need oh, I do. I just don't need feed extra. That's going to be 2. Oh. Did I put it in properly? Oh, it's gonna be Okay, so it's gonna be 4. Let's just put it in random peak at the moment. And let's it jump forward by length. So if it jumps forward by length, we will do we'll just go like that. So we need another forward. And let's see. Because it's going to be different this time to be like that. Unless we just jump forward the first time. Right. Let's see on that. Okay, so it's left. So just like that. Oh, turn off that. Wait, oh, I put it at 0 degrees. Oh no, this is happening. Okay, I think moving forward to, we're going to like that. Just put it slowly. When we jump there, when we turn down. Oh, okay. So we want to do that. And turn right. Turn right and move forward. I think we need jump. Okay, so we need to find the right rhythm to do this. So let's just we need to know where he's facing when he comes out. So when he finishes that, let's put another move forward. I mean jump forward. And let's take this one. Actually need that. So when it jumps forward, I need to know when he finds right. Wait, because that might be again. Now it's going the wrong way. Oh, is it doing it? I almost did it. Oh, yeah, it's because that 3, the repeat 3. Oh, yeah. Not sure what happened then now. Because it did 1 extra. Oh, wait. Something doesn't need to be there. I think something needs to be. Yeah, I think that needs to be jump forward. Because that's why it's doing that extra one. Okay, let's try this one more time. So we did it. So the code, that's the variable length. The variable is going to be 80. The repeats, repeat 4 times, repeat 4 times. Then move forward 80, turn left 90 degrees, jump forward by 80, turn right 90 degrees, jump forward 80, and turn left 90 degrees. So we've done it. So thank you everybody for looking at this video, and I hope you have a great day.